Once again, we are here for the second session of our Unit 1. We are still talking about the senior high school core mathematics syllabus. In our second session deals with the general aims for the core mathematics syllabus. By the end of this session, you, the students, is expected to be able to identify several aims for teaching the core mathematics syllabus. Now, before we can meet the demands in the rationale, don't forget the rationale, but before you can meet the demands of the rationale, then the core mathematics syllabus is designed in such a way that the students will be helped to, 1, develop the skills of selecting and applying criteria for classification and generalization. 2, to communicate effectively using mathematical terms, symbols, and explanation through logical reasoning. 3, use mathematics in daily life by recognizing and applying appropriate mathematical problem-solving strategies. 4, understand the process of measuring and use appropriate measuring instruments. So, how do you measure? How do you use the instrument? All these things are some of the aims for teaching the core mathematics syllabus. Another aim is that to develop the ability and willingness to perform investigation using various mathematical ideas and operations. So the ideas and operations that the students acquire, how are they going to use it in investigation? We'll come to that in the other topics ahead, or other sessions ahead. Sorry. Another aim is that we want to work, or we want to help the students to work cooperatively with other students in carrying out activities and project work in mathematics. Another aim is to develop the values and personal qualities of diligence, perseverance, confidence, patriotism, and tolerance through the study of mathematics. And to use the calculators, or to be able to know how to use the calculators and computers for problem solving and investigation of real life situations. All this, you come and take them one by one, so I don't want to waste too much time saying them. Then another point is that we want to help the students to use, so I've talked about the use of calculator and computers for problem solving and investigation of real life situations. That's one major thing that we should take into consideration when we are studying mathematics. Now, the next one is that I want to develop interest in studying mathematics to a higher level in preparing for professional and careers in science, technology, commerce, industry, and variety of work areas. Then the third one is that the third aim is that we want the students to appreciate the connection among ideas within the subject itself. There are lots of connections within the subjects. This topic is linked to this one is linked to this one is linked to this one, and if we're able to do this one, you should be able to further here, you should be able to apply it here. So that's help the student to link them. So after linking, appreciating the connection among the ideas within the subject itself and in other disciplines, especially science, technology, commerce, and economics. Every good mathematics student will be able to do engineering very easy, will be able to go into technology very easy, but there are several links. That's what we want the students to appreciate. So that when they are choosing or they want to further their education, they will know how to choose correct career. So basically, in this session, we learn the general aims for the core mathematics syllabus. And these aims are broader goals needed in order to meet the demands expressed in the rationale to solve real life problems and future careers or future career. The students need to appreciate how effective mathematics is. So we need to know some of these goals before we can be able to help them to achieve whatever they want to.